In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot reports to track your sales and marketing performance. HubSpot is a powerful platform that can provide insights into your business's activities. Whether you're aiming to streamline your marketing efforts or improve your sales strategies, understanding how to use HubSpot reports is an essential skill. Let's begin by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. Use your preferred web browser and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of your screen. There you'll see several tabs that help you manage different facets of your business. Keep your eyes on the tabs and locate the one marked Reporting. You'll want to click on the Reporting tab to get started. Once you click Reporting, your next move is to find the Reports option. Click on Reports, and it will open up a new section dedicated to all your reporting needs. From here, you have access to an overview of the reports you can generate and manage, which is extremely helpful for keeping tabs on the various metrics important to your business. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the dashboard. It's here on the dashboard where you'll see a snapshot of your existing reports. This dashboard acts like a command center, allowing you to quickly assess and navigate through data at a glance. You can customize the space to prioritize the reports most critical to your current initiatives. Moving on, let's dive into the Analytics suite. This powerful tool includes tabs that are separated into marketing, sales, and service categories. Each one provides detailed insights tailored to its respective area. For example, the Marketing tab gives you data on email campaigns and web traffic, while the Sales section focuses on deal tracking and sales performance. By utilizing these categories, you can drill down into the specifics and align your strategies more effectively across different business areas. To further tailor your reporting, you have the option to create custom reports. By clicking on Create Report, you can build reports that cater precisely to your needs. This functionality gives you the freedom to focus on specific metrics, set time frames, and even choose how data should be displayed. Custom reports bring a level of flexibility and specificity that is invaluable for nuanced analysis. In the event you need to recover any previously deleted reports, you can do so easily within the platform. This is done by heading to the Restore Deleted Reports section. Mistakes happen, and this feature is your safety net, ensuring that valuable data isn't permanently lost and can be retrieved with ease. And with that, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to use HubSpot reports to track your sales and marketing performance. By leveraging these tools effectively, you can enhance your business strategies and achieve remarkable results. Happy reporting!